Hello dear viewers, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you phase failure relay activity and controlling. We are supplying 3 phase in 1 2 3. Now disconnect one phase, 2 phase is connect. Coil supply voltage for this phase failure relay power up in 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is coil voltage. We connect a relay, 24 volt DC relay, just check controlling in 13 and 14. 13 common, with 13 40 is NC and 15 with 13 NO. 13 is common, 13 and 14 NC, 13 15 NO. Okay, we'll check. We are supplying 3 phase power is off now. We are supplying here coil voltage for this unit power up. Now coil voltage is available here, 7 and 8, and 24 volt DC supplied from 13 to 14, and the relay is on. Now we'll supply 3 phase. Okay, 3 phase is supplied. Relay cut off because we have disconnect one phase from 3 phase L2 trip. We connect 3 phase. Now we connect 3 phase, red, blue, yellow. Coil supply is on, relay power supply is on, and now we'll 3 phase supply here to check the phase failure relay. Okay, circuit breaker is on for 3 phase supply. Now L2 indicator is on because phase sequence not matching. Relay also off because 13 with 13 and 14 from NC to NO. Now we are going to matching the phase sequence. 3 phase power supply. 3 phase power supply is on. Now this condition, 3 phase sequence is matching. That's why no alarm, no trip in L2. Now we are check with phase unmatching. Okay, 3 phase is off now. We are changing phase sequence for the unmatching to check the phase failure relay. Okay, we have changed the phase sequence. Now we are going to supply 3 phase. Circuit breaker on, phase unmatching. That's why L2 indicator is on. Now phase failure relay is trip position and 1314 NO from NC. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.